These AI altcoins are taking off. Injective announced major partnerships and upgrades, plus Ethereum could be getting ready to catch up to Bitcoin soon. This is your Altcoin Buzz News. Hey, what's up, everyone? My name is Cody Buffington. Make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you know when we drop our latest content. Follow us on Twitter, Altcoin Buzz IO, and as always, is not financial advice, and we wish you the best of luck in your crypto ventures. The meme coin hype, smart investors are pouring money into artificial intelligence related crypto tokens. AI related tokens such as FET, Render, and Near Protocol are rallying with double digit gains after significant development in the AI space. Silicon Valley venture capital giant Andreessen Horowitz announced plans to raise $6.9 billion for new funds, including two AI focused funds. A16Z will raise the money for a master fund, with half going to the firm's fourth growth fund. The other half of the amount will go to two dedicated artificial intelligence funds, a gaming fund, and a fund to support startups in the so-called American Vibrant field. The move comes after an A16 general partner, Martin Casado, lays out the case for AI as a driving force behind major advancements in technology and the human experience in the American Dynamicism Summit. AI altcoins are rallying on the back of significant news, with Fetch AI leading gains in the last 24 hours with an over 40% jump to a high of $2.85. Fed's price has rallied more than 100% in a week and over 400% year to date. Render is up 33%, Near 28%, and Singularity Net up 26% in the last 24 hours. Other AI related tokens, including the Graph, WorldCoin, Conflux, Akash Network, and others, are up almost 7 to 15% in the last 24 hours. Avalanche developers have launched Teleporter, a tool designed to improve communication across its subnet ecosystem. Teleporter aims to unify Avalanche's network of application-specific chains, or subnets, making them operate more cohesively and addressing ecosystem fragmentation issues. Released today, Teleporter is built on top of Avalanche Warp Messaging, or AWM, activated today on Avalanche's EVM-compatible network known as the C-Chain. The Teleporter purports to make communications across several of its subnets that are EVM compatible. Subnets were introduced on Avalanche in 2022 to allow the creation of customized app chains across different verticals. Teleporter will enable the sharing of various data types, including tokens, NFTs, and Oracle price feed data across Avalanche subnets. The tool's launch follows the Durango upgrade on Avalanche's mainnet, paving the way for Teleporter's functionality. And musical festival Coachella in 2022 sold NFTs that earn collectors physical art prints and photo books via partnership with FTX. It also released a set of 10 NFTs guaranteeing lifetime passes to Coachella, and the 10 Coachella keys sold for a collective $1.4 million. Following the collapse of FTX and the disabling of its web servers, the NFTs began displaying blank images, while associated websites redirected users to information about the company's bankruptcy. But despite these early setbacks, Coachella is giving NFTs a second try. The festival will be letting fans purchase NFTs and gain access to VIP areas and exclusive merchandise at this year's concert. The NFTs live on the Avalanche blockchain and are being sold via partnership with OpenSea. It's also another utility NFT integration for Avalanche, which appears to be making a real push into the ticketing space. Last week, Sports Illustrated Tickets announced that it was migrating its blockchain ticketing platform to Avalanche, and developer Ava Labs had purchased a stake in the company. The Injective protocol, a layer 1 on Cosmos built for finance, has announced the launch of its Injective Ethereum virtual machine known as the EVM. In a post on X, they described it as a groundbreaking Ethereum rollup designed to facilitate hyperscaling, multi-VM development. Despite Ethereum's scaling challenges and relatively high trading fees, it is a popular choice among developers, especially in a bull market. The EVM will bridge the gap, linking the low-fee and highly scalable Injective protocol to Ethereum, powering traders to swap at a fraction of the cost. From the platform's main page, the average transaction cost is less than 1 cent. Moreover, connecting with Ethereum will allow developers to deploy their solutions on the Injective protocol. The EVM merges the high performance in Injective with the depth of developer tools present in Ethereum. By enabling multiple virtual machines, EVM can process transactions faster and handle more users. This enhancement is key because Injective Protocol aims to take on centralized exchanges like Bybit and Binance. The decentralized platform supports, among other features, margin trading and perpetual swaps. With the launch of EVM, the number of Injective Protocol users is expected to surge, translating to more transactions. As early as March 2024, Injective reported processing almost 500 million on-chain transactions. On top of that, Athena, the decentralized finance protocol that amassed nearly $1 billion in total value locked within a month, has announced its exclusive integration with Injective. This collaboration marks Athena's first integration outside the Ethereum ecosystem, paving the way for Injective users and the wider IBC community to access USDE, Athena's synthetic dollar, and participate in the protocol sharding campaign. Athena has been making waves in the cryptosphere with its innovative approach to creating yield-bearing synthetic tokens. USDE, the protocol synthetic dollar, offers a censorship-resistant, stable, and scalable solution for the digital asset market. Unlike traditional stable assets, USDE is fully backed on-chain and free to compose on other protocols, relying on advanced technologies such as delta hedging and established assets like ETH to maintain its peg to the dollar. Starting yesterday, March 6, USDE will be available to Injective users, granting them access to this innovative synthetic dollar. Stacks, one of the leading Bitcoin Layer 2 networks with smart contract functionality, has announced receiving a commitment from 8 new signers: Blockdaemon, Near Protocol, Despread, Luxor, Chorus One, Kiln, Restake, and LM Labs. The new signers on Stacks aim to further enhance the network security and decentralization, according to Andre Serrano, SBC resident at the Stacks Foundation. Serrano wrote, "These signers add yet another layer of decentralization and bring industry-leading infrastructure to the leading Bitcoin Layer 2 as the ecosystem seeks to unlock the Bitcoin economy and bring Bitcoin to billions of users. Together, we are poised to unlock exciting new use cases for Bitcoin." Signers on Stacks are responsible for validating blocks and processing transactions, ensuring network integrity. Stacks is the leading Bitcoin Layer 2 regarding developer traction and market capitalization. Stacks' new announcement comes ahead of the network's upcoming Nakamoto and SBTC releases, which aim to bring faster transaction speeds with 100% Bitcoin finality. Astar Network, a blockchain firm based in Japan, launched Astar ZK EVM on March 5th, becoming the first Layer 2 chain to integrate into Polygons Agglayer. Astar ZK EVM is a zero-knowledge Layer 2 chain designed to enable cross-chain transactions between the Astar and Polygon blockchains. Its integration through Agglayer, a protocol that supports multi-chain smart contracts via aggregated zero-knowledge proofs or ZK proofs, essentially making the chain seemingly operate for end users as though they'd merge into a single network. Sota Watanabe, founder of the Astar Network, said the move came as part of Japan's national tech strategy, adding our integration in the Agglayer and continuous investment in development solidifies Astar ZK EVM's position as Japan's Web3 authority for innovation, entertainment, and retail dApps, positioning Astar at the forefront of Japan's Web3 expansion in the enterprise, retail, and government sectors. Analysts at QCP Capital note that despite Bitcoin's quick drop to $59,000, funding is back to sensible levels, and the more than likely scenario is the outperformance of ETH to Bitcoin pair. In a volatile session this week, Bitcoin quickly set new all-time highs of $69,400, only to undergo a rapid decline, plummeting to $59,200 within a matter of a few hours. This steep downturn resulted in the liquidation of over $1 billion worth of levered long positions on Binance alone. However, as noted by analysts at QCP Capital, the market quickly responded as the dip was aggressively bought up, with the $60,000 level demonstrating robust support. According to analysts, funding rates have returned to sensible levels, hovering around 30% annually on Binance. Therefore, analysts at QCP Capital anticipate Ethereum to outperform Bitcoin, noting that the narrative surrounding a spot ETH ETF is gaining traction. Ethereum still remains significantly distant from its all-time high compared to Bitcoin, suggesting a potential for rapid value appreciation. While Bitcoin trails only 4.5% from its historical peak on March 5th, Ethereum lags behind its 2021 record by over 20%. As the crypto landscape evolves, Wall Street behemoths are intensifying efforts to introduce more spot crypto ETFs, following the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission's approval of all applications for spot Bitcoin ETFs earlier in January. Reports indicate ongoing discussions between the SEC and Ethereum ETF applicants, with decisions on spot ETH ETFs delayed until May at the earliest. The VanEck filing in particular awaits a response by May 23rd, alongside applications from BlackRock, Franklin Templeton, Grayscale, and Invesco Galaxy. That's it for Altcoin Buzz News Update. I'm Oscar Buffington. Thanks for watching.